Hello, I'm Gia Milazzo Smith from Designs by Gia Interior Design. Welcome to one of my finished projects. This is an incredible renovation, design and renovation project that we did for some of my clients. It's a beautiful country estate with a beautiful environment, beautiful landscaping, and we really needed to do some updating on some of the projects in their house. So come on in and I'll show you around. The before on the kitchen was a very dated renovation project. This house is built in the 1700s, and the part of the house that houses the kitchen was an addition that was put on in the maybe late 80s, early 90s. So in this kitchen we had a lot of dated cabinetry, we had a lot of glazed finishes, poor craftsmanship as well, and we had a lot of really weird angles, a strange set of stairs. The kitchen was really not accessible. It's such a large room open to the step down living area, but what we didn't have is a good flow. We also wanted updated appliances and all of the things that really makes the modern conveniences of a kitchen so desirable. So my homeowner recently purchased this home and contacted me about renovating the entire space. So we did start with the upstairs bathroom renovation and this kitchen project. So I'm going to show you the after now so that you can see the results of all of our hard work. First thing we did to prepare for the renovation, of course, I prepared a design for this space. What we really wanted to do was open up the space, give them updated cabinetry, and really improve the flow of the room. Of course, doing updated appliances and trying to meet all of the client's needs, as well as really complement this beautiful older traditional style home and its beautiful environment. So we really planned our color scheme to kind of complement that. These beautiful windows that you can see behind us in the space, and you'll see more of that in the after. Really, the environment there changes with the seasons, and you really want to not overpower that with an interior color scheme. So if you look at the original design board, this is something that I prepare for my clients so they can see a little bit of a visual about what we're planning, and this is the first step in the renovation process. You can see my design, our floor plan here, and all of the elevations show all of the new custom cabinetry as well as the finishes, the fixtures, and all of the materials that go throughout the space. So you'll see updated flooring. We basically demoed this entire space, including all of the old cabinetry. We changed the flow of the stairway that steps down into the living room and updated everything. So I will now show you the finished project. lot of improvements here in this beautiful home. My client really loves not only the design, but how user-friendly this design is. The stairway in this house was put in by the homeowner when they first moved in to replace the former spiral stairway that was in the center of this location. So because this was all done in oak, I suggested that we paint it in this beautiful white so it complements everything else that we're doing with this lower renovation. So we did that, and of course we did some custom stair runners as well. And we will now take you upstairs so that you can see all of the renovation that we did upstairs with the master suite. Gia Milazzo Smith here from Designs by Gia Interior Design, and I'm ready to show you an exciting project that we designed and renovated here at my country estate project, the Master Suite. So come on in and I'll show you around. First, this is the master bedroom. It's such a beautiful environment here at this beautiful country estate that we really wanted the color scheme to really reflect nature, as we've got so much beautiful view of the outside environment here. This is a very old home, 1700s. We had some existing architecture, some beautiful architecture that we worked around. This master bedroom, we added a beautiful new master bed. We brought it up a little bit higher than the existing bed and kept it very light and airy, so that now our homeowner can wake up and really view the outside environment, which is so beautiful here at this home. We added some furniture. We added a new master closet off the adjacent master bath, which I'll show you in a minute. But we don't have a lot of need for storage in this area of the home, just needed some dresser drawers. And again, we added custom window treatments, all custom fabric work throughout this home. Custom window treatments and these two small accent cabinets, so that really we've got a little bit of storage in here. Our existing closets here are used for seasonal storage, as we do have another master bath. And right now I will get ready to show you the master bath project. Come on in and I'll give you a tour. The original bathroom in this space had a lot of strange angles. So what we did is we took out all of those walls, reframed the space, enlarged the area to give us a huge master closet, and we added a lot of luxury details in this bath. As you can see, we've got beautiful custom cabinetry here with all of the beautiful fixtures, some quartz countertops. We added a new window in this space. Again, a beautiful view here, so we wanted to be able to have our homeowner be able to see that from the shower, and of course the beautiful bathtub. We've got a bathtub here that has beautiful fixtures and a bubble from the bottom detail. As far as comfort and luxury goes, it's really nice. Some more cabinetry here. Then behind me, we've actually added a very large master closet, which is great. We had to take away that small hallway that kind of went nowhere on the other side of that wall, expand the space, square everything off, get rid of the weird angles, and now my homeowner has an incredible master closet space. And now, the highlight of this whole room is our beautiful, nice master steam shower. This shower has aromatherapy, and steam. It also has some internal speakers so that you can have music piped through as you're taking a steam. The details in the shower are incredible. I have to show you a little closer view. All of our tile work in here is just beautiful. My craftsman did a wonderful job making sure that everything lined up pattern-wise. We've got fixtures, we've got a rain head, and of course all of our steam shower fixtures. We've also got a custom bench. So of course my homeowners can use that, and on a cold day come in here and take a nice steam. Very relaxing and really gives them a little bit of luxury in their master bathroom space. We've got a beautiful custom glass enclosure, and that kind of finishes off that master bathroom shower experience. And of course our flooring is all porcelain tile. I added a little detail in the center just to kind of break up the tile, and we added a few pieces of furnishing here to just finish off this luxury master bathroom space. Also in this bathroom space, we framed out a separate toilet area. This bathroom originally had some very strange angles, as you can see by the before pictures. So we framed out a nice squared sectioned area for a separate toilet area, and in it we were able to work in some custom cabinetry for additional storage as well. So that's been really helpful in just kind of squaring off the room, saving space, and adding that extra storage.